Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn, and today Justice sent me a box, so I'm gonna be unboxing it for you guys. I can already see something that I love peeping out, so I can't wait to show you guys. So the first item is this super soft blanket. I really like it because it has a corgi, which is a unicorn, so corgi corn. I don't know what it is, but it's super adorable, and I love how it goes into like an ombre. That's a big blanket. Ooh. Okay. Here, if you see it. So here it is, and I really like how pretty it is, cause I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it goes into an ombre. And I really love Justice blankets because of how soft and fluffy they are, and because the backs always have this white fur, and it's so soft and so warm when you cuddle in it. And here we have some super cute unicorn slipper boots, and these are so furry. Look at the back, they have a rainbow tail. Look how cute these babies are. I really like the bottom. It's like cushion, like a pillow, and the silver horn. Get away. I like how it has the silver tinsel and the fluff. The fluff is super soft too. It's like, woo! But the tail is softer than the boot. Next we have a Live Justice pouch. It goes from this hot pink to a holographic color. You can put your chapstick in it, some dollars in it, or just throw it in your backpack or your purse. You can do anything with this. We have this super cute holographic makeup kit, and in the middle we have some eyeshadow. On this side we have lip gloss, different shades of pink, and on the other side, right here, we have blush, and we have, it's so shiny. Like, ooh, it's reflecting off the light. So we have, some colors, but the colors actually don't show up as bright, so you won't have a bright yellow, and it's actually really subtle, and I think that's really pretty. It's very subtle, but with a touch of color, so I think it's perfect for tween girls that just want to play around with makeup. Next, we have this makeup set, and it has some eyeshadow, body glitter, some nail polish, nail stuff right here, and lip gloss. I really like the case that it comes in. I like the glitter, like framing. I've never worn makeup before though, so let me know down in the comments if I should do a first ever makeup look with these two kits. Okay guys, so that was all that was in my Girls with Heart Holiday Ambassador package. Thank you so much, Justice, for sending me all this stuff. I really appreciate everything, but my favorite item was definitely the blanket. It's getting really cold where I live, freezing. It's raining tomorrow, so I don't know. It's gonna be cold. So thank you so much for the blanket. That's gonna make me be warm and cuddle up by the fire. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.